I just got a crap load of Rubik stuff. So, this is pretty cool. Here we have my instruction booklets, some mini cubes, the 2x2 mini, a medium sized one, my speed cube, my regular cube, the Rubik's Revenge which I just got, generic one I got at the dollar store, and the Rubik's Snake, and some stickers. So, it's a lot of Rubik stuff. That's a lot of Rubik's cubes. 2x2 is definitely one of my favorites. I like it better than 3x3, but not as much as the 4x4, so I'm going to try to solve it really quick right now. Record time on this was about 50 seconds. Of course, I only tried it once. My old record, before I broke my old one, was 56, so there goes that. Never take these things apart, because when you do it, there's a million pointless little black pieces, and it really sucks. It does not go back together. So, you can use most of the algorithms, the same ones as you can for the 3x3. So I think when I get the time, I'll post an explanation. I think I may have beat my time here. I'll check in a second. Here's the 4x4. I've known how to solve this one for a while. Just sort of had to refresh my memory online, look up some algorithms. But this one is definitely a lot better than 3x3. More complicated, obviously. Definitely harder to solve. And a lot of people say that the 2x2 is harder than 3x3, but no, you can solve this thing in like 50 seconds. Pretty easy. And this thing is so much faster than my old one. My old one turned like about this speed. You can't do any finger tricks. Barely works. But with this thing, it's like crazy fast. Of course, if you turn it too fast, it'll sort of, you know, explode in your face, which sucks. But it's almost as fast as my speed cube. The problem with this is it's like really beaten. Stickers are peeling right off. That's why I ordered replacement stickers. I think I'll do that right now. I always wanted to know what Rubik's would look like without stickers. Should be pretty interesting. So this was the 25th anniversary edition. It's got silver stickers, but those are peeling too, so I guess I'll just have to take them off. Oh well, here goes. Hey, look at that. There's Rubik's logo right there. There's the last sticker. Here you have it. Rubik's Cube with no stickers. It is covered in glue and really nasty. What a mess. Alright, time for the new stickers. solve that another time.